इस वीडियो में डिफरेंशिएशन के जेईई मेंस 24 में जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे उनमें से एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन में एफ(x) दिया है एक्स क्यूब प्लस बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस सी एक्स प्लस 41 and f of 1 is 40, f dash of 1 is 2, f double dash of 1 is 4, and we have to find a square plus b square plus c square. So take fx first. Fx is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus 41. अब मैं x की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर देती हूँ. f of 1 is equals to a plus b plus c plus 41 and f of 1 is our 40. So 40 is equals to a plus b plus c plus 41. Now on solving we get 0 is equals to a plus b plus c plus 1. And let this is equation 1. Now f dash of x is, on differentiating we get ax cube का differentiation 3x square plus 2bx plus c. Then f dash of 1 is 3a plus 2b plus c. Now we have f dash of 1 which is equals to 2. So 2 is equals to 3a plus 2b plus c. This is equation 2. Then differentiate again f dash of x. It will be f double dash of x equals to 6ax plus 2b. And we have f double dash of 1 is equals to 6a plus 2b. And f double dash of 1 is 4. So 4 is equals to 6a plus 2b. Now on dividing both sides from 2, we get 2 is equals to 3a plus b. Suppose this is equation 3. Now 3a is equals to b minus 2, minus b plus 2, and we will put this 3a into equation number 2. So our equation 2 is equals to 3a plus 2b plus c. And on putting and substitution value for 3a, we get 2 is equals to minus b plus 2 plus 2b plus c. And minus b minus 2 plus 2b will be b, and cancelling 2, we get b is equals to minus c. So our first equation is a plus b plus c plus 1 is equals to 1. Then put b is equals to minus c in equation 1, we get a minus c plus 1 is equals to 0, so that a is equals to minus 1. Now putting a is equals to minus 1 and b is equals to minus c in equation 3, we get b is equals to 5. Now b is equals to minus c, which is equals to 5. So c is equals to minus 5. Now we have a is minus 1, b is 5, and c is minus 5. Now just taking square root, a minus 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, and minus 5 square is 25. So final answer a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 51. Here is our final answer. Bye bye. नहीं ना